Marhaban, it's me Stivona. Today we are going to learn Al-Kahir fi al-Manzil, electrical items in the house. Talaja. Do you know what's talaja? When you put ice tray filled with water and put it in talaja, it freezes and turns into ice cubes. Have you guessed it? It's refrigerator. Talaja refrigerator. Ghazal. Do you know what's ghazal? How do you wash your clothes? Yes, with washing machine. Ghazala washing machine. Tilfas. Do you know what's tilfas? Let's see if you can guess this on your own. Too hard? Okay, I'll give you a clue. It's where your parents watch cricket and news. Yes, it's television. Tلفاز television. Midya. Do you know what's midya? In the olden days, people used to put midya, and it talks about our news and music. If you have guessed it, it's radio. Midya, radio. Furun. Do you know what's furun? How do you bake food? Yes, with your oven. Furun, oven. I hope my birthday is coming soon. I want to make a cake. Mukayyaf. Do you know what's mukayyaf? Let's see if you can guess this on your own. If you guessed it, it's air conditioner. Mukayyaf, air conditioner. Mirwah. Do you know what's mirwah? Let's see. It's related to an AC, and we need to switch it on. Let's see if you can guess it. Fan. Mirwah, fan. Hatif. Do you know what's hatif? You can guess this on your own. If you have got it, it's phone. Hatif, phone. Hasub. Do you know what's hasub? You can try this on your own. Did you guess it? It's computer. Hasib, computer. I remember. Just forgot to study in my computer. Miknasun kahrabayu. It's used for cleaning small dust particles. Yes, vacuum cleaner. Miksanun kahribiya. Vacuum cleaner. Dough. Do you know what's dough? Dough is how you can see. It's not your eyes, okay? It's light. Dough, light. Light is very important. It helps you to see. Mikvah. Do you know what's mikvah? You have to guess this on your own. Yes, it's iron box. Mikvah, iron box. Shukran.